Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Notion on Mac Easy method. Open the Notion app and sign in or create an account to start. We'll walk through workspace setup, creating pages, and organizing with templates so you can be productive fast. I'll explain syncing, keyboard shortcuts, and simple customization to make Notion feel like your personal system. Follow along at your own pace and pause when needed. Start by opening the App Store or Notion website and download the Mac app. After installing, open Notion and sign in with email, Google, or Apple account. Create your first workspace and invite collaborators if needed. I'll guide you through creating a page, adding blocks, and using templates to speed setup. Learn basic keyboard shortcuts and how to sync across devices so your notes are available everywhere smoothly. Quick recommendation: if you're settling into long Notion sessions, subscribe and like if this helps you. The Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated through deep focus sessions and fits cup holders easily. I use it between note-taking sprints to stay refreshed and avoid interruptions. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab yours. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Next, we'll organize pages with toggles, headers, and linked databases for a clear structure. Use templates for meeting notes, tasks, and project trackers to save time. I'll show how to create backlinks and relations to connect information across pages. Customize icons and covers to make navigation intuitive, and set up simple filters and sorts to view only what matters. These steps will keep your workspace tidy and focused without overwhelming your workflow.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.